Welcome to In the News with Double Des. I'm Des Bernardo, giving you my perspective on news from South Africa and the rest of the world.
In the news now, some very disturbing news from the Western Cape High Court, where I reported before that the court actually held the case in loco. In other words, they did it online over PCs. They couldn't actually go into court and do a proper argument. But the Western Cape High Court has found and ruled that the lockdown regulations are justified and dismisses the application. Now this becomes problematic because now you're sitting with two high courts that rule completely differently based on the case that was brought before them, which means that our high courts are currently in disarray. They are in no state to interpret the Constitution at all, and it's obvious that they can be influenced by politicians and many other things. It's almost pointless to take your case to the High Court, except for it then to be a justification for an application in the Constitutional Court. So we need to change the way the judiciary works in South Africa, because this is not working for us, where our government has gone, trampled all over our Constitution, and because of the cases brought before the court, if the people don't have experience or know how to bring the cases before the court, then it becomes almost impossible for us to get relief immediately or very quickly. So in this News 24 article, I'll put the link underneath again. I'm obviously very disturbed by this, but luckily my Rothschild video is uploading as we speak, and you should get that soon. The internet has been slow, so I'm sorry about that, but it'll be with you soon. At least you'll be able to see how these people work behind the scenes. So it's very apt that the Rothschild part 2 is uploading right now. So it says here, the Western Cape High Court dismissed an application to declare the lockdown regulations invalid and the NCCC unconstitutional. The court found the regulations were justified and it was not for the court to prescribe the government how it should handle a national disaster. And this is a problem. This is really a problem, but at least now they can go to the Constitutional Court for this. The court ordered each party to pay their own costs. An application to have the lockdown regulations declared invalid and the National Coronavirus Command Council declared inconsistent with the Constitution and the Disaster Management Act was dismissed in the Western Cape High Court in Cape Town on Friday. I'm not going to go through the whole article now. You can go and have a look at it. I'll put it in the link underneath. Please subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers now. The subscribers have grown tremendously over the past couple of days, and I'm really glad for that. Thank you for all of you that are sharing these posts. Please share this, and when the Rothschild video lands, which will be soon, any moment now, share that video. Watch it to the end. It's not as long as the previous one. It's under 30 minutes, and it's vital information for you to understand how things work within our country and other countries around the world, and how much we are being manipulated. Even how the judiciary can be bought. Believe me, it happens. Thank you very much.